Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. If you've ever struggled with eyeliners that smudge, fade, or require constant sharpening, today's review might just catch your attention. We're taking a close look at the Smashbox Always Sharp Longwear Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Sumatra, a deep matte brown designed to give you rich, long-lasting definition with minimal fuss. Right out of the gate, this pencil stands out because of its self-sharpening cap. No more hunting for a sharpener or dealing with uneven tips. The formula promises high pigment payoff, waterproof wear, and a matte finish that's meant to stay put all day. It's marketed as a standard pencil, but with these extra features, it's clearly aiming to elevate the everyday eyeliner experience. I started testing this eyeliner over a week, incorporating it into both my daytime and evening looks. Application is impressively smooth, gliding across the lash line without tugging or skipping. The pigment is rich and consistent. The Sumatra shade is a versatile brown that deepens the eyes naturally without being harsh like black sometimes can. I even tested it under light rain and during a sweaty midday workout, and it held up remarkably well. I did notice that while removal requires a proper makeup remover, this is typical for waterproof formulations, so nothing unusual there. Pros: the self-sharpening cap is genuinely convenient, especially for on-the-go touch-ups. The pigmentation is bold and consistent, and it's very comfortable to wear without feeling dry or heavy on the eyes. The waterproof claim is solid. It resists smudging or transferring, which is huge for long days or humid climates. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers ultra-soft, smudgeable pencil liners, this one is more on the firm side. Also, while it's easy to apply along the lash line, tightlining can require a bit more patience due to the pencil's firmness. When it comes to value for money, this Smashbox pencil sits in the premium range, but the convenience of the self-sharpening mechanism, the high-quality formula, and the reliable wear make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who wears eyeliner regularly. Compared to other waterproof pencils I've tried, like the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On or MAC Eye Kohl, the Always Sharp holds its own, particularly because you don't need a separate sharpener and the color payoff is immediate. The build quality is sleek and functional. The pencil feels sturdy, and the self-sharpening cap mechanism works smoothly without any gimmicky feel. Longevity-wise, the color remains vibrant throughout the day without breaking down, and the tip stays precise, thanks to the self-sharpening feature. I haven't had direct interaction with Smashbox customer service for this product, but the brand's reputation for responsive support is reassuring. If you're considering alternatives, there are lower-priced waterproof pencils available, but few combine the self-sharpening convenience with such strong pigmentation and longevity. For a reliable, fuss-free eyeliner that holds up all day, this one really stands out. Overall, I'd say Smashbox Always Sharp Longwear Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner is ideal for anyone seeking precision, longevity, and effortless application. It doesn't disappoint in terms of performance, pigment, or convenience, and the Sumatra shade is a beautiful, versatile brown that complements many eye colors and looks. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. The link to grab your own Smashbox Always Sharp Kohl pencil is in the comments or description box below. If you've tried it already, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.